must have for all YouTubers? Actually, a lot of people have actually been asking that at Smart, what are some of the things that as a YouTuber you must have, as a growing YouTuber you must have, as a starting YouTuber or as a small YouTuber? All right. And so in this particular video, straight away, I am going to take you through the 5 major must-have things as a growing YouTuber or as a YouTuber as a whole. All right. Now, it doesn't actually matter if you've started for so long or you are now about to start it. If you're about to start a YouTube channel, then in fact, this channel is actually for you. If you're a growing YouTuber, in fact, you're so lucky to actually have access to this particular channel. So wherever you're watching from, stay glued now as I take you through the best 5 must-have things as a YouTuber. So the first one I'm going to talk about is your microphone. Yes, you see, YouTube videos is all about sound, giving out quality sound. So as a YouTuber, as a very serious YouTuber, the first thing you must prioritize is your sound quality. And as you can see, I'm going to recommend those that have actually used, tried and tested them. So as you can see, I'm using this microphone. You see, very small and very cute. Some of them are having foam around where the microphone is, you see. So now when I bring it closer to my mouth, you see that it's giving me quality sound and you can hear me so clearly wherever you're watching this particular video from. So let's assume I am taking this microphone off my mouth. You see, the sound is actually getting down, as you can see. So if it's off my mouth, then I need to actually be louder enough. But when it's closer to me like this, I am able to actually speak this the way I want to speak, to actually let you actually hear me. All right, so that is it. Your microphone is so very important. All right, so aside using a microphone like this, I'm also having this one here. This one is another one that's having the pin at the bottom of the at the end of the cable like this. It just works like the hands-free microphones, you understand? So that is it. Let me show you to you clearly so you have a look at it. This is where the mic is, so you can see this is a very simple microphone. So as a YouTuber, you can also prioritize using these ones. All right, so you can use this as a YouTuber, as a starting YouTuber, as a growing YouTuber, and it's actually going to help you a lot. It's actually going to help you get quality sound, the quality sound that you want or that you need. Right, so you can either use this one, these types of microphones. They are not that expensive. You see, this one I got it around, I think, less than $50. So less than $50 you can actually get it, especially for the international viewers watching me right now. But if you're in Ghana, somewhere around 500 400 cities, you can get this one. It's very nice, and it helps you to get quality sound over here on your YouTube channel. So that's the first thing I'm going to talk about. All right, some people actually use their headset. All right, that's their hands-free, like this one too. They put it over here in their ears like this, and then they connect the tip of their hands-free to their phones, that the phone that they are using, and then they begin to talk while they use the microphone button over here. That's also an ideal one. All right, it depends on you, the style that you want to have your channel. You can use that one. All right, some people use it, some also use it without even showing this side, but they use it like this, and then they begin to speak to this microphone. All right, some people can also put it in their attars so that it will open up maybe around this side, and then they'll also begin to speak. So it all boils down to having quality sound. So these are some of the microphones that you can actually invest in to get quality sound for your videos as a growing YouTuber or as a small YouTuber. That's very important. All right, so that is the first one. Now the second one I'm going to talk about is the device you're going to use to record yourself. Do not bother yourself to get these expensive cameras, these expensive Canon cameras, Nikon cameras and all that. You see, you are just starting, you don't have that money, you don't have that resources to actually put it inside. All right, and so what you've got to do is that you can even use your phone to record, as I'm doing right now. I'm using my phone to do the recording right now. Yes, so I can even lift it like this for you to know, you understand. So that is it. I'm using my phone to do this record. So you can also use your phone, but make sure you try as much as possible to get quality phone. That is very important. Getting quality phone will actually help you a lot for you to come out with a very nice video. You understand? The graphics matters a lot as a YouTuber. You see, a lot of videos are on the YouTube platform, and so when someone comes to watch yours and don't have good graphics and all that, it's actually going to affect your video. And talking about the graphics, then I need to actually venture into the lighting system. Yes, the lighting. What is your source of light? Actually, there are a number of ways you can have light for your video. There are two major ways. That is, we have the natural lighting system and the artificial lighting system. The artificial lighting system, example of the artificial lighting system is that if you have your videos indoors, you can actually go in for these fluorescent bulbs that are actually brightened, that will actually brighten your face. You understand? So that when you're actually shooting your video, it will help you to get quality lighting system in the video. Also, you can also use the natural light. As I'm speaking with you now, as I'm making this particular video, I am using the natural light. It's in the morning. Let me check the time for you. It's in the morning around 8:43 a.m. the time I am recording this particular video. Yes, and that is today, the 29th day of this particular month, October. Yes, I am intentionally giving you all these details for you to know when I recorded this particular video, the time, the date, and you see, I am using the natural light. Assuming I am inside or I'm in an indoor where there's no light, you see, I'm gonna have a challenge in the lighting system. But now you can see my face so clearly. Oh yes, so that is it. You can use the natural light. Sometimes even during the afternoon, you can come out of your room and then shoot your video outside to get the natural light. If you have money to purchase lighting, see, with this light that you're watching right now on your screen, you can actually have access to it. It's very good. I've been using this particular light for some of my other video shoots and all that, especially when I'm indoors, and possibly if the lighting system inside is not helping, I mostly use this type of lighting system. You can also try it, and I think this one you can get it around somewhere around less than 700 or less than 500 US dollars. You can actually get one for yourself. So it depends on you. There are a number of types of these lighting systems that you can actually get for yourself to help you get quality lighting, so that when people are watching, they can see you clearly. They can see you clearly. So I'm sure you can see me clearly. If you can see me clearly, let me see you at the comment section. Just type it over there. Smart, I can see you clearly. Yes, all right. So let me hear the comment section now, and I'm sure you are able to see me so clearly. So please make good use of the natural light. And even you can use an indoor video. You can shoot your videos indoor, but you can still make good use of the natural light. Actually position yourself and face the natural light, face your window, all right, so that you can even open your window. If they are louvers or glass, you can actually tilt them, open them small, so that you get the natural sun rays to actually show your face well in the video. That is very good and very important. So actually have that in mind. In fact, I'm giving you all these honest reviews of the thing that you must need as a YouTuber, as a growing YouTuber, as a starting YouTuber, as a small YouTuber, as a content creator as a whole. All right, so that you can actually take your YouTube journey to a different positive level. So the next thing I am going to talk about is the tripod. You see, as a YouTuber, you must have a tripod. Yes, you must have a tripod. As I speak with you now, the phone I'm using right now, that is Techno. Actually, I'm using a Techno phone, Techno Camon 20. Yes, now I think Camon the 30 series are even out, but I'm using the 20 now. Yes, and you can see the camera, everything is intact now. All right, if you have money, you can go in for iPhone. Samsung are having very quality phone that you can actually use. There are also Redmi, Xiaomi phones. They're also good. A number of these phones are very good. You can use them. All right, if you're also a techno lover, you can use your techno phone to actually be capturing all these. And so that is it. And if you fancy these videos, and if you fancy my videos, and you want to get us another device to use to do the recording, you're always and highly welcome. I'm sure, and I know some people will be touched to get me an iPhone, and that's going to be great. Yeah, anyway, that's just by the way. So let's continue. So what I was talking about, the next thing I'm talking about here is your tripod. You see, right now, this particular video is on a tripod. That's the phone is on a tripod. Yes, and that is what you see on your screen right now. That is the tripod I'm using right now. Yes, and I ordered this one from an online shop. All right. Yes, and that's somewhere around less than around $50 thereabout. If you're in Ghana, that will be around 300 400 Ghana cedis thereabout. All right. Yes, if you want to know the online platform I ordered from, just let me know in the comment section. I'll let you know where I ordered it from. And it's flexible. You can be tilting the head and all that. All right. So as I speak with you now, I can hold it like this. Let me put the microphone down and then be tilting the edge for you to actually see. So you can see. If you can't hear me correctly, so sorry. All right. So that is it. You see, I am tilting it like this. Very good. So that is it. So the head is so tiltable that you can tilt it, and then you can also handle it like this. You can also hold it like this, and then you can be positioning it at any vantage point that you want to have access to it. All right. So that is it. I actually want to give you honest reviews on the things that you need as a YouTuber, so that you can also grow and become successful over here on YouTube. So that is it, and that's very, very important. Do not joke with that one. Some people can actually hold their phone as if they are taking selfies, and actually that's also another flair. That's also another way of adding some touches to your video. You can hold it in a selfie way and then be capturing your video. There's nothing wrong with that, but make sure your sound quality, everything is intact. So you can get a tripod for yourself. There are so many types of tripod. Just going for the one that will actually help you to actually work on your video. So that is that I want you about the tripod. The last but not the least I am going to talk about over here is your editing software or your editing application. As a YouTuber, as a growing YouTuber, as a successful YouTuber, as a starting YouTuber, as a YouTuber in general, in fact, as a content creator, you need an editing software, and there are a number of editing softwares that I am going to recommend for you to actually use them. The first one is CapCut. Yes, I'm sure you've heard of CapCut editing software. It's so good, it's so powerful. Actually, I've been using the CapCut for almost all my videos, and it's so good. You can do your editing in so many ways. You can check the background. Actually, some other time I will talk about how to change the background of a video. Now I am in front of leaves. As you can see, the leaves, this is a natural background. Yes, I've not done anything about the background. All right, so this is a natural background. As you can see over here, this is a natural background. Right, there is a way of using the CapCut to change your background. Yes, the background of a video like this one, I can have a background that shows that I'm inside a room. Oh yes, and take off all the grains at my back. All right, so I will get time work on that particular video. If you want to watch that video, and if you don't want to miss that, please subscribe to my channel right now, so that when that video is uploaded over here, and that's in no time, you should actually get a notification on your phone or your device, so you can also watch that. All right, so that's very, very important. The editing software will actually take your video to a different level altogether. So you can use the CapCut, either the PC version or the phone version, or we have one video show editing software. You can also use that one. It's also good. It helps a lot. In short, it's also good, and a number of them. There are a number of these editing software. So these are what I recommend for you to actually use. If you also know of any different editing software that's so powerful for all YouTubers, you can type it at the comment section, so that it also helps other people. So let me know. Do you also know any other editing software that you can also recommend? Just type it at the comment section right now, and it's actually going to help other YouTubers to also have access to this one. So that is exactly where I bring today's tutorial to an end. Thank you very much. I'm sure you've actually learned a lot over here. So if you're a YouTuber, don't stress yourself too much. These things that I've actually mentioned over here are things that you can actually get with just a very small budget. All right, don't stress yourself that much. Kickstart, and I've always been advising and been encouraging you, giving you the motivation that you need to kickstart your YouTube journey. Please, if you are watching this particular video, let it motivate you to start your YouTube channel right now. Just switch on your camera. Don't wait to get everything in the world. Don't wait to get everything that the big YouTubers are having now. No. In fact, do not let the big YouTubers discourage you from starting your YouTube channel. You don't need to get these sophisticated equipment and gadgets before you can kickstart. No, just start it, and you're actually going to earn a lot. You're actually going to grow as you start. If you don't start, you're not actually going to grow, but you're going to grow when you start it. So these are the must-have things as a YouTuber, as a growing YouTuber, as a successful YouTuber, as a starting YouTuber, as a small YouTuber. Yes, who would want to get more views, more subscribers, more engagement, and all that. These are the must-have equipment. These are the must-have things as a YouTuber, so that you can take your YouTube journey to a different level altogether. So thank you very much for watching the video from start to this very end. Please, if you have found value in this particular video, don't forget to give me a subscribe. Okay, just click on the subscribe button right now and be part of this wonderful family. Actually, over here on my channel, I give you the tutorials to be able to start your YouTube journey, your content creation, your Facebook journey from start till it becomes successful, giving you the tips on your YouTube growth. That's your YouTube growth tips, and then the YouTube algorithm tips and all that. Anything at all. If you'd want to get more views, more subscribers, and more engagement on your videos as a YouTuber, subscribe to my channel, and I'm sure you're not actually going to regret. All right, there's been a number of testimonies over here on my channel, and these are some of the testimonies of my viewers across the globe. So I'm sure one day you're actually also going to give a testimony. If my videos have helped you in any way, let me hear from you at the comment section. And if you have any questions too, if there's something bothering your mind, let me hear from you at the comment section. If you have any question, type it over there and I'll make a video on that for you, specifically by popular request. That is exactly what I do over here. I attend to you guys, my viewers, my subscribers. I attend to you so wholeheartedly with passion. I love you guys so much. Thank you very much. See you next time in my next video. Don't forget to give me a like and don't forget to share this particular video so that it helps other people as well. Thank you very much and do have a wonderful time.